Hello, welcome back to HAG'S LAB. Today we're going to have a look at some new acquisitions. There's a package I received yesterday. It's from maxgaming.no, and let's open it up. So it's these 8BitDo retro receivers. These are for the NES, the original Nintendo. Experience the NES wirelessly. 8BitDo to analog. And I guess this needs power. I was hoping it could draw power from the controller port, but I guess it can't. That's kind of annoying, but yeah. So these are just like they're just standard Bluetooth controllers. I mean receivers. So they support the 8BitDo controllers, of course, but they also support PS3, PS4, the Vimo, and the VU Pro. And then these ones are for the SNES, the Super Nintendo. Not sure if they need additional power. Looks like they do. Guess I'm gonna have to like do a USB hub or something. Nice and simple. So these receivers can be used with controllers like this. This is a 8BitDo SN30 controller. I use this for my arcade cabinet when I want to use a gamepad instead of the joysticks. I'm pretty sure this is the version I tried to order more of, and I think it's still called SN30, but they just don't have it in this color or something. So I bought like 4 new ones in different colors. So just pair this one to this or any other controller to one of the receivers, and you're good to go. These are decent controllers. Yeah, new package. I've been waiting for this for many weeks. Took forever. It was all the way from the US. Takes forever to get to Norway. Costs too much to import, but whatever. I'm very excited for this. Been wanting one of these for a while. So let's have a look. There we go. RetroTINK 2X Pro. San Diego. Nice. Congratulations, you now own a RetroTINK 2X Pro, a zero lag upscaler for your retro console. To get started, simply plug in the USB cord, video cables, and power up your console. Press the input button until you get a color image. Make sure the mode switch is set to line 2X and that the comp switch is set to retro. Nice. I think this is supposed to have a firmware upgrade before I use it though, not sure. Sticker, that's nice. Oh, did I order this? Maybe I did. I think this was like an accessory option. It's supposed to be the Nintendo 64, isn't it? S-video cable? I think so. So that's good for my N64. There's a nice braided micro USB cable. That's good, included. Oh, fancy. Ta-da! RetroTINK 2X. So hard to say RetroTINK and not RetroTINK. RetroTINK 2X Pro. It's nice. Comb, retro, auto, mode, line to X, pass, input, filter, micro USB power, HDMI output, S-video input, and yeah, these other ones, audio and the other video signals. That is pretty sweet. Nice. I got a new package here from kultobillig.no. They are I think they're like a SparkFun distributor. At least they have a lot of the same things. I order stuff from SparkFun all the time, but it takes forever to get there, so it's nice to have a Norwegian distributor where I can get most of the items. But anyway, let's open it. Alright, so I just bought some more of these wires, so male to male, female female, and female male. Just can never have enough of these. And then I ordered this weight cell, load cell, with a HX 711 amplifier. Which makes it pretty easy to hook it up to a microcontroller. So this is a 5 kilo load cell. I've used some of these exact load cells before, the 1 kilogram version. They work okay. Then we have some more sensors. We got 3 of these ultrasonic sensors. And also 3 of these temperature and humidity sensors. So it's DHT22. They come in a nice. Well, this one's not very nice. That is not very nice. But yeah, they come in this package that contains a temperature and a humidity sensor. Then there's just a one wire protocol to read out the data digitally. It's not very good. You can have a look at one of these ultrasonic ones too. This is an ultrasonic distance sensor. And I'm going to use this in an upcoming project. Pretty cool sensor. So it emits like ultrasonic sound from one of these, and it receives it on the other. Then it just like measures the time it takes for the transmitter to, well, I mean, it measures the time it takes for the sound from the transmitter to bounce off something and return back to the receiver. So that's cool. Well, as you can see, I've been doing some stuff, and I have one more package from The Future Was 8-Bit, but I think we need to do some tidying up first. Okay, that's at least a lot better. These are just some, pretty sure I opened this on camera already, I'm not sure. So that's just some sensors and stuff. So now let's have a look at this new package. This is from the futurewas8bit.com. They have some cool stuff. I have my 3D printer here because I'm currently testing some stuff. It's probably going to be another video at some point. So I've been upgrading my 3D print cabinet, and yeah, just doing some stuff, adding some sensors, doing some cool stuff. But yeah, back to this package. Get a knife. This knife is bad. Got some stuff. What's this? It's like a tape, music tape insert. Pentagorat, the Castle of Fiends. So I bought this off The Future Was 8-Bit, as I said. It's 40 British pounds plus Norwegian import taxes. So yeah, not cheap. Oh, okay. So we have a smaller package inside the big package. So this is the, I think this is the power option. I think I chose the, so that's how it looks. So this is the, what's that port called again? It's called the, yeah, it's just called the cassette port. So that's just for powering the, this, I guess. Let's see. Oh, wait. That's for the power. I mean the cassette port, of course. That's the power. And that's the SD2IEC port. What is this then? What is this? I'm confused. Okay, so apparently this is just a... All I need is this basically. So it gets the power from the cassette port. And I think this is there because it's also, this is a PS2 connector. So I can use this. How do I know which way it goes? Oh, it doesn't matter because it's the same. No. Well, but I guess this is for the 128 or the C16 or something that has a PS2 port. I am not completely sure. But yeah, so I just need to format an SD card for this so I can try loading some games and also saving some games, which is going to be, well, saving some programs, which I'm going to need for some upcoming videos as well. Cool. I got one more package that I was waiting for, so it's from Max Gaming again, maxgaming.no. So let's open this. Okay. Yeah, so this is 8BitDo controllers. These are just the simple ones with no analog sticks, because I'm going to use them for my NES and SNES. So I got them in 4 different colors: red, green, yellow, and blue. It's nice, and they go along with these receivers that I got a while ago. So should be good to go to actually play some NES and SNES wirelessly now with these controllers. 4 receivers, 2 for the NES, 2 for the SNES, and then 4 controllers. Nice. I also wanted to show you this this book that I picked up after hearing about it on the Retro Hour podcast. It's The Games That Weren't by Frank Gasking. It's a Bitmap Books book. It's a very cool book. It's like a showcase. Basically, this Frank Gasking guy has a website that's called The Games That Weren't, where he kind of catalogs like games that never got released for various reasons. And he basically took that data and made it into a book, where he also interviews people from the industry, people that were working on the game and stuff like that. So just basically goes through a lot of these games, and it's really cool. There's a lot of nice information in here, and there's like cool screenshots and artist impressions of how games could have looked if it's not an actual playable game. There's like impressions of how it could have been if it wasn't for that it weren't released. Yes. So yeah, I've been reading quite a bit, and so it's a very nice quality book. It's like good paper, very nice colorful screenshots and drawings and sketches and stuff like that. So I really recommend this book if you're interested in old computer games and the history. It's pretty cool where so when there's like a new game, Heart of Yesod, and it's apparently wasn't released because of a licensing issue. It was supposed to be released in '89 by Eldritch the Cat for Atari ST, Commodore Amiga, and the PC. And for every game there is like this checkbox that says if it's available to play, because a lot of the games have like resurfaced in a playable state. Even though it's not finished, you can still like load it up and have a look at the state that it was in when it got cancelled, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I really recommend this book. So this is the new stuff that I got in the last couple of months. Well, some of the new stuff. It's gonna be interesting to try out, and it's gonna help me to make more videos for the channel. So I have the RetroTINK 2X Pro, which is gonna be nice to get a crisp image from the Commodore and other consoles and stuff. Get these controllers, which I'm gonna try and hook up. I'm also gonna try to use these on like when I'm playing my consoles. That's gonna be nice. Then I have the SD2IEC, which is gonna be great. I'm excited to try that out. And that's actually not supposed to be here. And I have some sensors that I'm gonna use for my 3D printer cabinet project thingy. Well, not these, but the temperature and humidity at least. And also this weight sensor, well, this weight load cell. Yeah, I'll talk about that more later. I'm going to use these ultrasonic sensors for a project that we should also see a video on in a while. Well, that's it then. Thank you for watching.